Under the National Employment Standards, some employees have the right to request flexible working arrangements, like changing their start and finish times, working split shifts, job sharing, or working from home. There are rules about who can make a request for flexible working arrangements, how to make a request, and how employers must respond to requests. Full-time and part-time employees who've worked continuously with the same employer for at least 12 months can request flexible working arrangements if they would like to change their working arrangements because they're the parent or have responsibility for the care of a child who is school-aged or younger, they're a carer under the Carer Recognition Act of 2010, they have a disability, they're 55 or older,
they're pregnant, they or a member of their immediate family or household is experiencing family and domestic violence.
Casual employees who fall into one of these categories can also make a request if they've worked for the same employer regularly and systematically for at least 12 months and have a reasonable expectation of work continuing on this basis. Requests for flexible working arrangements must be made in writing, explain what change is being asked for, and outline the reasons for making the request. All employers who receive a request must provide a written response within 21 days, which outlines whether the request is approved or refused. Employers can only refuse a request on reasonable business grounds. If a request is refused, the written response must include the reasons for the refusal. For more information about flexible working arrangements, visit www.fairwork.gov.au/flexible working arrangements. Authorised by the Australian Government, Canberra.